Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is reconciliation. So, reconciliation is God's gracious act of removing enmity and restoring fellowship between sinful humanity and Himself. Because of our sin, we stood as enemies of God, deserving His holy wrath. Yet, through Christ's atoning death, God initiated peace. This reconciliation is not mutual compromise, but a divine gift secured by the blood of His Son. Through Christ, we are not only restored to God, but also called to live at peace with others and to proclaim this ministry of reconciliation to the world. So, ayon po sa 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 18 to 19, all this is from God who reconciled us to Himself through Christ and gave us the ministry of reconciliation. The God was reconciling the world to Himself in Christ, not counting people's sins against them, and He has committed to us the message of reconciliation. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, sinasabi po ito na we are reconciled to God through Christ. So, ibig sabihin, dahil kay Jesus napatawad tayo at na-restore yung relasyon natin kay God. Kung dati hiwalay tayo dahil sa kasalanan, ngayon ay tinanggap tayo ulit bilang anak niya. Next is we owe to pursue reconciliations with others. Kung mapapatawad na tayo ng Diyos, natural na responsibility din natin na makipag-ayos at magpatawad sa iba. So, hindi dapat manatiling broken ang relationship natin. Next is we have been entrusted with the ministry of reconciliation. So, hindi lang ito personal benefit. Mission din ito. Ginawa tayong representative ni Christ para tulungan ng iba na ma-experience ang same reconciliations with God at sa kapwa. Sa applications naman po, first is imagine life with a clear conscience. So, isipin mo yung buhay na wala kang kinikimkim na galit o guilt. So, ang gaan ng loob, diba? Yun yung gusto ni God para sa atin. Next is identify the people with whom you are in conflict. So, sino yung mga tao na may tampo ka o may tension ka ngayon? Kilalanin mo muna sila, huwag i-ignore. And lastly is initiate a talk with the goal of reconciliation. So, mag-take ng step, kausapin sila, pero ang heart mo dapat ay peace at ayusin ang relasyon, hindi para makipagtalo. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.